Guys, just wanted to show you this large lumbar traction device. That's a multifunction lumbar support therapy massage device. Has a lot of different functions. So it has the massage, it has the dynamic stretching, has even a heating built in directly here and a high frequency vibrations. You can see that here. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you everything what you get and then how to use it. Okay, so let's open. Here we have the power supply, then the controller. I mean, it's connected, we have to be careful. The device comes also with an instructions manual. It's very important to read everything before start using it, because there can be also some restrictions, especially when you have some certain conditions. It could be indicated that you should not use this device, but in general it is very safe to use. So the first part here is the base plate. You don't have to use it. Usually we are using that only when we are using the massager on a very soft device like on a bed or so. But if you're using it on a rather hard surface, then you don't have to use the base plate, but it can also help to give you some extra elevation. You can use it just normally underneath like that. Very nice. Give just a little bit of light elevation stability, but you can also turn it around to have a little bit more elevation, especially after you have been used after a longer time with this thing. Give some extra push. There is not much to prepare. Everything is pretty much ready. If you want, you can switch the massager heads by 180 degrees. So we hold it at the bottom and at the top, something like that, and then we can push here in from the side and release the massager head. You can see it has this hole here, so we can push it down also on this side, so it goes a little bit to the other side, just as a variation if you want, but you don't have to do that. After that, just push it down back. Of course, we also need to add the power to the 110 volts. By the way, the power adapter works for 100 to 240 volts worldwide, and then we plug in the other end here in the device itself. The controller itself is already pre-connected, cannot be removed. And then we have basically two options. I mean, of course, first we have to turn it on to make everything available. But we have the manual options for manual options here, or the automatic options. The manual options can be adjusted in different levels. Always starts with green at the lowest level, then goes into yellow and then red for the strongest option. And if we push again, it will turn off. We can also combine different options, not everything, but a couple of things we can manually combine. You can see stretching and kneading is always exclusive, so we can't have it at the same time, but we can always add the vibration and we can also add the heat at the same time. And this is what we also have in the automatic mode, so you don't have to do anything. You just push on the automatic button here and it will include then these options. Of course, they are also described here in detail what they do, but you can see them here, really nice. And also in the automatic mode we have a medium strength and a higher strength. You can see the red for all the parts which are activated. And so in the green it combines stretching, vibrating and heat. In the medium setting it combines kneading, vibration and heat, and in highest setting it combines everything, stretching, kneading, vibrating and the heat all together. And so we can see how this is working. You can see the massager heads here moving to the inside, and after that they are going back and come back to the center again. And now we have some vibration, and after that they will come again. The really nice, very advanced pattern, and you can really feel the heat, especially here on the inside. I can definitely feel it. If it's too strong, of course I can turn it off here, but I think it's very comfortable, very helpful. By the way, it has a built-in 15 minutes timer, so it will stop automatically after 15 minutes, but you can start it, but it's highly recommended to wait 10 minutes in between to give you a little bit of relaxation and maybe also to cool down the machine. Also important to know that you should use this device only with wearing some clothes, some t-shirt or so, and not using on your bare skin. So I would say everything is really nicely designed, really good build, very comfortable, easy to use, and I've already been using it and it gave me already quite some relief. So I can highly recommend it. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.